my memory, driving backwards in a fast lane, headlights off